my god, dude! I just got slammed. Oh. Dude, these fish are going crazy.
Oh! Okay.
Dude, I'm getting a bite. I missed the fish! What you're trying to say is I can't catch a fish?
Yeah, dude, you suck at fishing. Bro, you literally...
You lost my rod!
Sir, you can't fish here. This is a private property. This is my land. You can't fish here.
What am I doing right now?
You can't fish here. Go home. Now, go home. I said go home. I said go home. Oh, I guess I'll try again. Bro! There goes my worm. Bro. Hi. Bro, thanks for letting me use one of your baits, man.
Hey!
What?
Put it in the right way.
What do you mean? It is in the right way.
Flip. Like
Oh my
this
God,
facing that
dude.
way, though.
Hey, bro, can I use your rod?
Excuse me?
Bro, can I use your rod?
What's wrong with that one?
I just want to use yours. Try it out.
You think you're worthy of touching my X350 MORTQ?
It's not that big of a deal, man.
Look at your rod. You see how bad condition it's in because you don't take care of stuff. Learn to take care of your stuff,
Bro.
maybe, and maybe I would let you.
Literally, I take that inside every day. What, do you, like, wipe down your rod every time you use it with soap and water?
You don't.
Literally.
You're supposed to.